video, and it's going to be a what I eat in a day video. I know I haven't done one of those in so long. Y'all probably hate me, but I wasn't working out for a long time. I fell off. I literally started not eating, not on purpose, just like I got so busy and I just was like, I have to cut something out in order to sacrifice and do what I have to do, because my channel was suffering and I was like, I have to get my consistency back. So in order for me to film videos, I literally had to like stop going to the gym. I don't know, that sounds like an excuse, which is not a good excuse, but it literally happened, and now I'm just gonna have to get back on track, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right now. I did lose a few pounds, not gonna lie, but we can fix that. First, let me show you guys my new protein powder. So I got these protein powders from a brand called Protein Cookie Butter. You can follow them on Instagram. And when I tell you the cookies and cream is so bomb. I haven't tried this yet and I haven't tried this yet, but so far I like this one. And I'm going to show you guys how I make my protein shake. So for breakfast, I have my protein oatmeal. I just put milk in it, the amount that it says on there. Is usually I just fill up the bag. I fill this up with milk to like right here, or you can just put 3/4 cup if you want to. I like to use the frozen fruit because it preserves them longer, and I don't like to buy regular fruit because then I run out and it gets spoiled and it's just a lot. So I just use this instead, and it also cools the oatmeal for me, so I like that. Now I'm just gonna pop this in the microwave really quick. I'm going to add this coconut and almond granola. I made sure that I got one that doesn't have actual like hard almonds in it. This just has chips in it. This is 1/3. Okay, so for my protein shake, I'm gonna be starting with a banana. Then I'm gonna do a cup of this chocolate milk about. Then I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this pea butter protein. Then I'm gonna add one of these banana nut oatmeal. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit of regular milk. Then I'm gonna do 2/3 cup of this coconut almond granola. And we have our protein shake ready to drink. I decided to make spaghetti today because I have a lot to do, and spaghetti is super quick, especially because I'm using my Instant Pot. If you didn't watch my last vlog, I expressed how much I think you guys need an Instant Pot because it's so easy to use, quick, and it gets your food done in no time when you have a lot to do. And that's what I'm using right now. So we're about to make spaghetti, and I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients in a second. So I'm about to make some spaghetti, and what I'm using is all right here. I have minced onion, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, some Parmesan, some Lorry's, and some green pepper, and some ground turkey. And I'm also using the garden combination sauce and traditional thin spaghetti. I got all this stuff from Target. So I'm gonna basically just saute the ground turkey first. Make sure that there's no pink left over in the meat. Now I'm adding a little bit of water, about a 1/2 cup. Then I'm adding my sauce. Stir that around. Now I'm adding another 1/2 cup of water. Now I'm just adding more of the seasonings again, just to intensify everything a little bit more. The red pepper flakes. the Italian seasoning and the Lawry's. Now I'm just gonna add my green peppers. Now I'm gonna break my spaghetti in half and drop it in. So now I'm just pouring a little bit of the sauce on top of it so that it can kind of soften the noodles a little bit. Then I'm going to take the rest of my water, another half a cup, pour it on top. Pour a little bit of water in this jar and rinse it out. And pour that on top as well. There you go. Now we're ready to close the Instant Pot. So you're gonna make sure that your pressure cooker is on sealing, and then you're gonna put it on, you're just gonna press pressure cook, and it's going to be on high pressure, and it's gonna cook for about 8 minutes. And that's how long it's gonna take to make this spaghetti. I told you, get you an Instant Pot. I told you, get you an Instant Pot. It'll change your life.